After more than a year of lockdowns and travel restrictions, millions of Europeans are looking forward to a well-earned getaway. So what if your next break was more sustainable? A holiday which had a lesser impact on the environment? As we emerge from the pandemic, the European Parliament is calling for a roadmap towards sustainable, responsible and smart tourism. MEPs want to see new measures to reduce the climate and environmental footprint of the sector.
We are not talking only about hotels, restaurants. You need to understand the whole chain. Where can we slow down or low down the impact that we have on Earth, on sustainability goals?
One way to travel green is to prioritise rural or agritourism and avoid overcrowding in popular regions. Parliament is proposing to expand the Tourism Eco-label, a scheme which certifies environmentally friendly accommodation and tour operators, allowing tourists to sleep with a clean conscience. By far the biggest polluter when it comes to tourism is transport. Parliament wants rail travel to play a big part in making EU tourism greener. MEPs are also calling for more EU support for the transition to cleaner fuels and alternative forms of transport. To boost a green post-pandemic recovery, Parliament wants EU countries to support tourism through recovery plans and a temporary reduction in VAT for the sector. The reopening should be part of the EU COVID-19 strategy, with steps like a common vaccination certificate.